What is the ending of The Silent Patient? Have you ever read a book that left you questioning everything you thought you knew? The Silent Patient by Alex Michaelides does just that, especially with its surprising conclusion. So, what exactly happens at the end? This psychological thriller centers around a woman who shoots her husband and then chooses to remain just silent. Her name is Alicia Berenson, and her silence becomes a key part of the story. Theo Faber, a psychotherapist, becomes fascinated by Alicia's case. He wants to understand why she stopped speaking after the murder. As he works at the psychiatric unit where Alicia is held, he reads her diary entries. These entries reveal her thoughts and feelings leading up to the tragic event. Now let's get to the climax of the story. It turns out that Theo was the masked man who entered Alicia's home on the night of the murder. He had a motive tied to revenge against Alicia's husband, Gabriel. Gabriel was having an affair with Theo's wife, which drove Theo to confront him. However, instead of killing Gabriel, Theo exposed the affair to Alicia. This revelation triggered Alicia's traumatic reaction, leading her to shoot her husband. In a twist, when Alicia finally speaks, she tells Theo a fabricated story about the masked man. This moment is crucial because it shows that Alicia is testing Theo. She knows who he really is. In a desperate attempt to silence her again, Theo tries to drug her with morphine. But here's the catch. Alicia had already written about Theo's role in her diary before losing consciousness. When the police discover this diary, they confront Theo with the evidence. This revelation leads to his downfall. The ending of The Silent Patient is not just about the shocking twist but also about themes of trauma and betrayal. For book clubs, this novel offers rich material for discussion. The dynamics between therapist and patient can spark conversations about trust and ethics in therapy. The themes of silence and communication can also lead to deeper reflections on how we express our emotions. Choosing The Silent Patient for your book club can lead to engaging discussions and varied interpretations. The unexpected ending will keep everyone talking long after the final page. So, if you are looking for a book that combines suspense with thought-provoking themes, this one is definitely worth considering.